Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum nursery class. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. Nursery class, today we are going to learn lesson number 1 and 2. Look here. Unit 1, alphabet A to Z. Unit 2, page number 2 to 4. We are going to revise alphabet letter A to Z. Now start reading with me. Look here. Which letter is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A says A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we are going to write letter H to Q. H to Q. Right here H. Draw one standing line, another standing line, and draw sleeping line. H. I. Draw one standing line. J. Draw one standing line, then make a flip. K. Draw one standing line, sliding line, then another sliding line. Write K like this. L. Draw one standing line, one sleeping line. L. M. One standing line, sliding line, another sliding line, and one standing line. Write M like this. N. One standing line, sliding line, and another standing line. N. O. P. Draw one standing line and make a semicircle. Write P, Q, okay, nursery class, read with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Today we are going to complete the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Nursery class, can you tell me which letter is this? Everyone tell me, what is this? D. Can you tell me what comes after D? E. What comes after D? E. Right here, E. What comes after E? F. Write here F. D, E, F, G, H. What comes after H? I. Write here I. What comes after I? J. Write here J. I, J, K, L. Write here L. M. What comes after M? N. Write here N. Revise again with me. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, nursery class, start reading with me. Nursery class, can you tell me which letter is this? This is the letter A. This is capital A. And this is small letter A. This is small letter A. A makes the sound A. A makes the sound A. Arrow. Arrow. Ant. Ant. Ant is a small insect. Apple. Apple. What is the color of this apple? Red. What is the color of this apple? Red. Nursery class, do you like apple? That's very good. This is alligator. 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 Alligator lives in the water. This is an aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. 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 Okay. What comes after A? Can you tell me which letter is this? This is the letter B. This is the capital B and this is small letter b. B makes the sound B. B makes the sound B. B. Ball. B. Ball. B. Banana. B. Banana. Banana is a fruit. B. Butterfly. B. Butterfly. B. Basket. Look here. B. Basket. B. Basket. B. Boy. B. Boy. B. Bus. B. Bus. B. Book. B. Book. This is the letter C. This is capital C and this is a small letter C. C makes the sound K. C makes the sound K. K. Cup. K. Cup. K. Candle. K. Candle. K. Car. K. Clock. K. Clock. K. Computer. K. Computer. K. Cat. K. Cat. Okay, Nancy class, move to the next question. Write small letter. Can you tell me which letter is this? This is the letter A. Write small letter A. Make a semicircle. Then make a standing line and make a small flip. This is letter A. What comes after A? B. What comes after A? B. Write small letter B. Make a standing line and make a semicircle like this. This is the letter B. This is the letter B. What comes after C? B? C. What comes after B? C. Write here C. Write here C like this. Okay. A, B, B, C, C. A says A says A, B says B, B says B, C says K, C says K. Move to the next question. Match capital letters to small letters. Look here. These are all capital letters and these are all small letters. Look here. Which letter is this? A. This is the letter A. Capital A. And this is the letter A. Small letter A. Where is the small a? Find out the small a. Draw a line, capital A to small letter A. This is the letter B. B. This is the small letter B. Find out the small letter B. Draw a line, capital letter B to small letter B. This is the letter C. C. Point out the small letter C like this. This is the letter C. Draw a line, capital C to small letter C. Move to the next question. Missing letters. Okay, Mercy class. Can you tell me which letter is this? This is the letter A. Let's make the sound A. Let's make the sound A. What comes after A? B. Right here B. Write B like this. B makes a sound B. B. What comes after B? C. Right here small letter C. C makes the sound K. C makes the sound K. Now move to the next question. Write first letters of picture. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? Find out this picture. Okay. B. Banana. B. Banana. What is the beginning sound of banana? B. What is the beginning sound of banana? B. So write here B like this. Write here B. B. Banana. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Alligator. What is this? Alligator. Alligator. What is the beginning sound of alligator? Alligator. Alligator. So write here A. Alligator. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Candle. Candle. Find out the candle. This is a candle. 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 Right here C. Candle. Okay, Mercy class. Look here. This is sheet number 1. Assessment sheet number 1 and assessment sheet number 2. Solve sheet number 1 and 2 by the help of this video. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.